In this video, what we are going to do, as I have told you before, that in our AppRed series, in this video we are going to upload a image, and after uploading an image we will see in the AppRed our console that is it there or not. So as this recording, as I have also recorded it previously, so due to some issue it that got corrupted. So right now what we are going to do, I have already done the coding part, and so let's begin. Let me explain what the code, and then we will start doing that. So first of all, right now I am using image picker to pick the image. So if you see right here, I have added a dependency called image picker, which is helpful for picking the image from the gallery or any the sources from your mobile. I have added a screen upload image. First of all, let's say if you want to change the name, function F2, and let me change it to this, and it will change all across it. So I have created a screen upload image where it has only a button, highlighted button, which says if a child is upload image, and if the here we are picking the image from the gallery, we can add the source as well. Let's say you can have camera, means let's say you wanted to open camera, you can use camera, and you wanted to open gallery, you can use gallery as well. So right now we are going to use gallery. If the image we get is null, means that the user did not pick any image, it will return the null, means it will return from here, it will not execute this line of code. Let's say else if the user pick an image, so we will have a function which is upload file. So here I'll just give a image.path. From here we will get the image.path, means the image. Here we will pass the path, and then value. If the value means the image is uploaded, then it will say image uploaded successfully, else it will fail to upload an image, and that's it. So let's see our upload image function. Here I have added a client of storage, as we have to have the storage. So here it is a very simple thing. Try await storage dot create file, will creating a file. Bucket id is image. If you see right here, and let me delete this file, just testing purpose. So this is my bucket. How to create a bucket? Let's say you give a demo, and bucket id is also demo. Let's say this. If you do not want to give any bucket id from your own, you can also delete that. Let me create it. It will create a bucket called demo. Here as I'm using non-pro, means I'm not AppRed Cloud, so here just come down, you can upload size is 50 MB, so just go right here, megabytes, and just click on 50 and update it. It will work fine. And also here come to the rules, all users, just give the permission to create, read, update, and that's it. Because let's say you wanted to give the permission to for user to delete the file, you can also give the permission to delete. That's your call. You can add file security, encryption, antivirus. You can also give the custom extensions, like what are the things you wanted to have. Let's say you wanted to only upload png file, svg file, gif, or mp4, other stuff. So that's it. And let me delete this bucket because it was just to show you. So if you come into this bucket, as you can see, I have given the users role, all of this thing, and let's update the file. It's up to you. Like right now it is no need. So algorithm, you can have an algorithm gz for compression. Okay, algorithm for compression for file larger than 20 MB. Compression will be skipped even if it is enabled. It will work with smaller. So allowed file extension, I have not added any extension as such, so you can add it at your own convenience. So here we got the image, bucket ID, which is image, file ID is id.unique. Simple to get the unique ID, we can add at id.unique. File is this, like here we are getting file path, okay, but here it is he want input file. So for input file we have to give the input file from path. It will get the file from the path, and I'll just give the path, and file name is necessary. Let's say you wanted to give the file name or not, it is not that much required. Like how you can check that it is required or not, just hover over here, it is says required path, it is only required a path. So alright, now file name I have given this Raman, and whatever we have the dot last, means let's say raman.png, it will have raman.png. so that's it. Okay, so let's test this thing out. For that I'm gonna use my Android simulator, cause why not, and let it run. And let me before moving further, I would like to tell you that if you go to the pub.dev and here image picker, this one, and if you see that starting with version, just read this, starting with version 0.8.1 iOS implementation using picker to pick multiple images. This add the following key to info.plc file located in this, means you have to add this thing to access the gallery from your to access the gallery you have to add this thing. Let me show you how to do that. So just go right here, info.ios/runner, and here just after the string or something, just write a key or something, just copy it and paste it here. I think /key, yep, and here you have to give the string why do you wanted to access that thing. So same, you have to, let's say you wanted to access the photo library, just write it photo library. If you wanted to access camera, just add camera. Let's say you wanted to add microphone, just add microphone, just like this. Right now it's just good for you to get some hands-on experience of info this file, because in future you might need to create an application for iOS as well. So you should have some experience for this file, info.plist file. So let me uninstall the file which is currently I have, and okay, so let's run our application and function F5, it will automatically run. And if you go to the auth, let me delete the users as well, because we do not want to create any hindrance. Like I'll just use random@gmail.com to create that user. So right now I'm just deleting all the users, and let's wait for a while. So okay, it is running. Let me sign up. Name is Raman, email is random@gmail.com. you can write your own email, sign up. So it will sign me up. We just have to wait for some time. You can add some progress indicator bar or circular progress indicator while it is loading. It's up to you, it's all up to your user experience. Right now we are not much more motive to create good UI as well. So let's click on upload image, and upload image, let's click on it, and let's say I have clicked a screenshot of this, and let's click on it. So it will wait like 2 to 3 seconds, and it will upload the image successfully. You can add a circular progress indicator while it is loading. That's up to you, and let's look into that. If you go to the storage image, hence our file is here, raman.png, and that's it. Your file is here. You can copy the URL and you can paste it here, and you can also see that file here. See, so this is my file. It is being loaded. It might take some time, depends on storage. So yeah, that's it for how you can upload the images into the bucket, and you can also delete the file, I think so. Let's see, upload file. Let's say what are the other things which we can do with that. You can see right here, await storage dot. You can create file, you can delete file, you can get file, you can get file download, preview, you can get file view, you can get list of files, and update file. You can do that. So well, it's all up to you how you can use it. So that's it from my side as of today. Okay, your task, I know you have not you are not participating in, but don't worry, because I'm not making this tutorial only for like 3 to 4 days. I'm making it for the long term. Let's say in future someone will come and create a PR. Well, it's all up to you. I do not have any problem with that. So to do for this, you have to implement the update file and delete file as well. So what I'll do is I'll just implement I'll just create a function to do for you guys to implement this function into the screen, and then create a PR. So future bool not update profile, I'll have a update file, and here I will have something like this, storage dot update file. Here you will have bucket ID, file ID, and that's it, I think so. And you can give permissions, name, whatever you want. So it will update the file. We do not need this. And here you can also have delete file as well, future delete file. So it will need a file ID and bucket ID. It will delete that file. So for you to implement those functions, and do let me know in the comment section that if you have any problem till now. So yeah, that's it from now. Keep learning, keep exploring, and do let me know in the comment section, or you can reach me by my socials, that if you have any problem till now. And that's it from my side, and bye bye.